headless. So me start live. Headless. Head chop off. No head me have. Me have no head. Me just have a son. Good morning, I love you with all of my heart. Good morning, I love you with all of my heart. Morning, I love you with all of my heart. All of my heart. Headless, 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 headless. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch the head. Watch the head. Wow, God, people! No, sir. Good morning, babe. How is work? Yes, babe, morning. Me don't do if me not talk. Yeah, me don't do if me not talk. No, they not. Yours them. Was it? Yeah, nipple them on. I mean, no. Good morning, people. Jesus, Father. Yo, you see this morning, you see topic come on though? Me uncle go talk you choke, dog. I ain't see if you no bun me out J code, una fuck with me G. I remember say me talking after this experience to become have a Jamaican father. You understand what I mean? Yeah. I mean know plenty of people with Jamaican father and the same treatment, my G. You understand what I mean? Good morning, people, good morning. Here me not thinking more, girl, let me show the city if you don't want a good time, if you don't want to belly dig out and go get a Jamaican man. If you don't want some good fucking, I want to link a Jamaican man. If you want problem, if you want bun, go link a Jamaican man, my friend. If you want breed, go link a Jamaican man. Any blood clot position in the buck, them man they give up fucking at the back of the car. All in a banana walk good as me tell you say man bring your girl in a cane field. Backers in a mama me tell you tear off the wall of your face, you know, my friend. Me not ask you know. Fuck you on about 12 banana tree, you know, me G. Fuck you on every one of the almond tree. Them on me bridging them place, you know. Daddy me not ask you know, my friend. Tell you down all along a river go dig out your belly yard, man, them, you know, my friend. Get to you now when you see blood clot sitting. Oh, my blood clot. Let me tell you a joke, man. Jamaican man, they love it till they breathe, you know. Yes, good as dogs, my friend, but good as well. Me I tell you good as me ask. When it come on to a blood clot Jamaican man in a G code. When it come to a blood clot Jamaican man, you know. One time you breathe them man, the gun man, the man that cut man, the man who want fuck out your gut man, and that the man there for my friend. We out, what? Mama, no. Keep a Jamaican man the longest, man. Mama, better you rinse out everyone of the blood clot belly them when you get my friend. Nobody tell him, nobody feel like I go be the happy news feed dog. When they come out to Jamaican man and picnic near responsibility and Jamaican man no want that, you know. None at all, you know, my friend, you know, man. Them man, they say breed up 12 and 13 girl and don't mind them, they picnic there, you know, my friend. That's why them man, they say they fuck girl with money, you know, my friend. Me a preach for yard man them this man, you know. Me say yard man, I'm going to preach for yard man them this morning, you know. That's why we have blood clot fuck girl without money, you know, because what we breed them, the girl, me not volume for half, you know. Mama be a buckers, you know, you think so them blood clot fuck your joke thing, mama. Mama, you know what it is to be a blood clot Jamaican cocksman. To be a blood clot Jamaican cocksman is not a joke thing, mama. Mama, me I tell you say me position you everywhere, mama, me ram out the whole of your blood clot gut, my friend, me not ask you, man. You see when the picnic they come now, mama, you don't know, so you're like a responsibility that I reign, because you know how me do my thing, you know, my friend. You see me, every one of my baby mother, them still a fear fuck out that girl the whole, you know, because my baby mother, that it. You see me, I deal. None of my baby mother then can give me no talk, me J. Yeah, idiot, man. Mine, woman, I deal with blood clot sweetie in I park and a blood clot kickball to junior kickball. I mean, they know that, a bomb buckler, many dog, them a roll. You go find your little girlfriend them with that picnic and make the picnic go ramp with them. Me do for me part. Already, me fuck out your blood clot who will come in at that. You breed. Money, me not done tell you, mama, watch out. You come talk about money and rural and take care of youth. When you dig me, you start deal. You know me not have money. You know say me no go certain way. You know you go pressure man. You are pressure man. You don't know, you know. When you book me, mama, not even a party man can buy gear J code. You tell me say you rate me a date and thing and rate. Me fuck you would come and rate. You pressure me know what I about. You more this for you, more that for you. Mama won't forget it. Mama is like you try said me got thief D. It's like you said me got thief J code. You see me a deal with man can't hold a reasoning with you because me you hold a one rims. Me tell you a thing. Me say mama, watch your pre, so and so. Man not sturdy certain way, man not up certain way. You see me a deal with, you say alright, we a deal. Pitney come in play, you know, me and not to a deal again already. Actually use the youth for pressure man youth. You use the youth for pressure me Jane. You see me a deal with, true you say some man not pay, you know, and everything a youth. Everything a youth, everything a youth. Everything a bomb buckler youth. Youth this. Every minute me and you look a thinking more friend them boy. Oh, man buy new belt, me buy new shoes. Bomb buckler dear girl. How you feel like say? People can't buy me a shoes. People can't buy me a belt. Me not no money, you know me not work. You and me know that. And you behave like a big idiot bomb buckler girl, my friend. You see me not gonna try show me up in front of my bomb buckler friend them youth. You see me I do it. I never tell people about oh me not do you with the picnic, me not rare, me not help you, me not finance you rare. Bomb buckler dear my friend. Say dog Jamaican man that for you be me and baby father. Jamaican man be the baby father. 99 questions, not even 21. Me not ask you, the man give you heavy reason why you can't mind your youth. The man done show you say you didn't know this from before. Say yo, me not heard certain way, so oh yeah, heard now. Remember when you meet a yard man in a jail, the first thing him tell you as a girl, first time I was a boom. I may have fucking a condom. I say, I was a good girl, though. I try to tell you. I'm no boats, man. I'm a woman, man. I'm there. I'm a woman. Man, no fuck them right to money in a condom. I'm there. Man, clean and thing. 100. I'm 100% my own, man. But yeah. If me see you tell me about boats, that mean you fuck then. Yeah, who you fuck? You fuck somebody. I know me alone you fuck then. You see me? I know me alone you fuck. Remember you know, me just start date. I got some books and me fuck 2 times in a condom. You see me? And me see you still a hold on upon the condom. Me know you fuck other man. You see me I did. Cause if you not fuck other man, why then? You see me I did. But guess what? You a thing that my friend. You style me. You see me I did. Style your thing. Anything when you want to do, you do that. You as a girl pit, know you get you say yo yeah. Boy, you play the right card. Them like you must say yo a chapel. You see me I did like you say yeah chapel time. You see me white dress roses. You see me, I do. You feel me, I do. Was already before me raw. You see me, I want to talk to you because I lay talk to you. See, pray. When you start get this raw cocky in your hole in the babes, you feel me? The feelings get stronger in like Samson. Boo. You feel me? When you start blood clot pedal and wheel pan you dead, you know. Raw, you know. When me raw in your bumbo clot belly like a bumbo clot. Grace mix parts in a G code. Right in your hole in a G. You see me I deal with bus. What time you tell us the K bus? Me tell us the K bus sweet. Not WD-40 needed J code. Bust out the whole of the bum buckler got. Belly start rise. Mama here it go. You don't know anything, you know. You don't know anything. Watch out. Yo, I'll show you a thing. You see, oh, you said that me just start deal. B, you used to be that way. All of a sudden, me wonder, oh, you become dog. It's like you change overnight, B. Go. You see me, I did. Somebody tell me if you pray, me say, wonder if I me do something or I read. Then the time they not changing a mama. But this said man rude for run left your bum buckler with the out there. You see me I deal with me J. Let me tell you something about a Jamaican man. When you pre-Jamaican woman will say, my father, my baby father is a Jamaican, now mind you, them not ask me J. Me say, the man now mind none of them blood clot youth, them J, me not ask him and if you can. Enough girl right enough. Them young woman and they sick and tired of blood clot like them good as. Me not ask them and thinking about Jamaican boy them man. Them your blood clot boy. One time the other time them your blood clot Jamaican boy. Want be father for Father's Day. You see when Father's Day come now, you hear the whole of them and make job pitney together. Oh yeah, why you that they be jail right after Father's Day, you know see back him, you know. You not see back him after blood clot Father's Day, my J, you know, my friend. You never see him up on convention yet, you know. Jamaican father, them, let me tell you how them work, man, for your pitney. Call him for school, your pitney. Yo, your mother call me, brother, you have to behave yourself, my J. You can't do that. Them the man, they don't take part in that for your pitney life, you know, for your pitney, no make no blood clot sense to him, you know. If you want to have a good father being a Jamaican right now, your mother have to strong. And a she have to be this father, yeah. You have to believe that bumbo clot, yeah. Jamaican people don't know what it feel like to grow up with daddy. You're mad, you're sick, you know. Them? No. You're mad, man. Man, Jamaican boy, I want 4 or 5 baby mother, man. Which one? Not 1, 2, 3. Me have told you to cheat, I told you to that one there. One with she. My the 5 baby mother me having a dog. I get like, hey, that young kid up by you. All they beside I get like car with what bag of fuck dog. Yeah, me say, yo, after I get like, all the time I get like, me have 2 more baby mother, brother. Same treatment, my G. You see, brother, and that is it for you, Jamaican. Having a Jamaican baby father, that means you bust out enough windshield already, you know. You bust out for him crib about 59 times already, you know. You kick off for him door 100 times already, you know, my J. When you have a Jamaican baby father, you know, that is like you permanently in a fight for the rest of your blood clot life, you know, my J. You want him in a blood clot tussle for the rest of your blood clot life. You see what you look? Any blood clot thing where you want, you have to go bust up in bumbo clot feet. You have to do some hard pussy. You have to strap up on your boot. Them and your friend them and say, yo, how you go? You know, so me I go and be your father yard. And I strap up, sir. Yeah, man. Sometimes I get physical, you know. When you go link your Jamaican baby father, you have to strap up, man. And nowadays, the boot alone now work. Your friend are gonna ask you, bitch, I never know you had a gun. Yeah, girl. Me don't forget a gun. You don't know my baby father. I go over them, I ask him if he can get me son half high school fee or something. I even can buy one of the blood clot school shoes them or something. So you have to go over there, son. Yes, girl. More while it get physical. I'm sorry, blood clot is for them and girl if you go link them blood clot baby father my J when I'm a Jamaican. If you go link it, first of all you have one little thinking about Jamaican girl over there, you know. You have one little thinking about Jamaican girl over there, so sometimes you have to have 3 4 clips. Because she gonna make nice to you, you have to go and slam 2 or 4 or 10 or the whole clip in that the girl then. You see me I deal with some of the time one time the girl you go link them Jamaican. When you go link your Jamaican baby father, that is like you go link the girl where you never be from Bumbuckland High School, you know. You have to get physical with your baby father now, you know. Like you go over Phoenix there and say, yo, I come away from Mario blood class school. After the school fee, I come have half already. I have half already. I either you give me the other half or you not give me the other half. What you gonna do? Because I can't bother with every time you have to come over here so and a big blood clot war with you. You give me the blood clot money or not. Because listen, look here, hey, because hey, don't play with me. Look here, move. You give me the money or you not give me every blood clot that then you hear the blood clot girlfriend she run out like bumper clot fall. with a one bag of blood clot nice, you have to say good one me you did share the mattress. Hey good you have to help me out this and if you want blood clot King Kong and you blood clot run out to your one bag of bumbo clot nice, not to blood clot there. And Maddy, we have to turn upon them your blood clot boy out here go to me and tell little boy I want you boy I want the blood clot you don't play with me. You want the bumbo clot you can when you fight Jamaican man girl you have to lick and a run and a step back you know goody. When you want them Jamaican thinking mouth boy you have to run in and a run back you know. Running for them thinking mouth. I kind of you remember you know. Peacefully you know fuck you know. Peacefully. When you fuck them Jamaican boy you get them pit there. How me say goody a World War 10. Forget 2 blood clot $100 for that thinking about boy. 10 months, 2 bills? No, you was. You know remember what I did that look not na shops. What? Money huh? Yes man. Yes man, money did that one. Friend them Bima? Yes man. Me a driver call link you man. Every time I come ram out your wall, you know. He and I see him be mine. So guess what? You think I feel be mine. Not feel be mine. So now what I have your word is I thinking about yes, a Jamaican. Hold on. And the first thing as a Jamaican boy go up in your hole, what the first thing him say? Tight fuck. I'm half a breed there, my business. What you want to say? Half a breed there. Half a baby mother. Yeah man, at them pronounce it by you, you know, good as. When them boy you pronounce it belly by you, know. And them boy you start tell you say they want to fuck you raw, you know. Pana chicken. Raw. When you see the raw pana chicken turning a jerk chicken, they say bumbo clot. And what is walla? One time you breathe, you know, good as. Morning sickness, the dog don't know about you, your man, know about what? Mama, bumbo clot, you call me 8 o'clock in the morning, woman, just come for a dance, look at 7:30 man left a dance this morning, you know. Why you could have possibly was so early, man? Yeah, man, it's like you look a chip change. When you breathe for your yard, man, things change. Him chip change, the man go boom. Change. You must say, change your hair and forward. Quick. Yeah. Yeah, me no quick. Me I tell you the man chicken quick and fast. So till now, this is a war with all the belly. Me blood clot. 8 months in. 8 blood clot months in. You and the thinking mouth boy. You! Walk up at the end of the thinking mouth boy now. Tell him, 8 months. So drop you now. The kid baby about to drop out. You pump them off the start by now. Go link him. How much shimmies you buy already, boy? Eh? How much blood clot shimmies you buy already? Tell me. Tell me say you have couple shimmies, boy. I know, girl, every day you come over, you come round with the one back and nice. You say, what time you have blood clot, fuck you never. You have clumpy belly, you know. Belly, baby, distress right now, you know, because you have real up, you know. So till you have really try in now, and I say, thinking more, boy. Hey, thinking more, boy. You have your work him now, and you say, hey, me never ask. Belly big in front of you. Automatically at this 8 months in. The boy make you know say this is going to be a blood clot fight. Not even 2 shimmies. He boy no buy. Not even 2 blood clot onesie. Not even 2 onesie them your yard money now why you go dance. No onesie, no shimmies, no marina, nothing. You get the nut in your hole. You see one time the belly drop. Because you know Jamaican girl stay, you know. Belly drop, boy gone. She hot. Because the Jamaican girl stay. No boy can smile them up. Because the Jamaican boy make girl them stronger and stronger. Yeah, be I tell you all of them, you know. When the girl drop the belly and bumbuckler, run round the scheme 3-4 times a morning, bumbuckler and girl body nice again. Girl in the body rather them tight out. Baby father see that and say, yeah, you baby so. How much time when I call if you link you want me out, I'll know you're not shout me back, dog. Because you look good in a moment. Yard man style me show you how them work. Yeah, dog, them for the whole bumbuck like that. You say the one match is back, so fuck your baby mother, brother. What? You idiot, G. No boy can't fuck my baby mother. You see, my post that, man. When you look, you know, mama out there, mama round. You say, pussy clot. Mama, this a baby, I never touch you, man. Rascal. Me think me not gonna tie your foot. When they see your foot not tie, yard man style, you know. Sweet as pie, again. He's sweet as pie. Sweet as pie. Tell you how him stress out. Been trying to reach you all this time. Lost my chip. My mother tell me about the youth. I say my mother bring the youth down to the yard. Mommy not tell us I have a youth one night time. Yeah. But I hear the youth down and mommy has been having a baby one night time. Mommy there looking at the baby and mommy I said, Jano, this I love you half a loss. I said, I look on the baby and I say, oh, this I love you between me and you. Have to continue to chat because guess what now? You're not going to make this. I'm not going to make this slip out of my hand because you are my baby mother and my baby father and you would go wrong. You understand me? But I can go right now. You understand me, dear? Sweet as blood clot pie. Because guess what, dog never tie your foot, you know. The baby never feel love enough to tie your foot. Make him bust your foot with the next one. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, you remember now, yard man believe enough to kill a duppy, you know. When him bust your belly first time and kill you, you know. He wants to see you rise up back like a zombie. Yard man don't like that. Say man have to catch you back. Spend 2 Sunday evening with all the youth and buy 2 rum and raise the fee pitney there. So you can wind up and down in your hole again like carnival. You see me a deal with? When the man said fuck you and breathe you again, the man tie your blood clot foot because man kill it duppy now, you know. When you yard man kill him, have to kill it duppy to make certain. Boom! Boom! Duppy dead! That is having a Jamaican baby father. He makes certain your duppy dead. You hear that? When a Jamaican yard man and your baby father, me certain say you have a fuck up baby father. Your pitney don't know what daddy love is, what daddy hug is. Cause yard man that's man like this, you know. Yeah, them boy. He pitney a ball. Yo, mama, yeah, baby a ball. Yeah, you know, no? Yeah, you know, see me in the kitchen. Go and feed now. Mama, let me go something there. God never write down that in the Bible, mama. That's why I tell you the breed me left around you, you know, because of your style them what you have. Want me do woman things. And I hear thing that, mama. You see me there, say all the rims with the dog, then what kind of style they come with? Eh? Me a care them, man. You idiot, man. See that 2 now you gone, you know. 2 in your belly now. This a 2. Mama, this year get too much for me because me can't do enough, boy. You see me? Everything when me I do, boy, which is nothing. You not appreciate it. Every day me there, me in a yard, me not do nothing. You not appreciate them things there. You see me? So I better me left because you want me left. So I better me left and go on business because You know, you want to be alone with the pit of them. I say, go. Make it your thing called life. I say it work. You see me? Me not going to force you to do your bumbuckler thing, my friend. You see me? I deal with. Yeah, as a yard man. Yeah, my friend. What fuck girl I'm coming at them bumbuckler hole. I want to tell you. Girl pit me for breed as a yard man. Let me tell you that. And that you come here for good as. You for breed. Be fruitful and multiply. You see me? And that we are do. You see me I deal with? You go talk about me not mind you, me not read. When you book me, you know me not work. You know no excuse. Me not even used to give you nothing. You see me? I sound like corner man. You see me I deal with? You know, yeah. You know make you stress me out no more. Yard man. They make it more you know, we know. You're a baby father. You're a baby father. I always you're wrong. You never do nothing yet. Pussy old girl. Move your bumbuckler. You see man on the corner. I'm me a deal. And you tell me say everything Chris. No all of a sudden you pressure me. Maya, you don't want that mama. Maya, you breathe out for the whole hour. You see belly them when you dash like Maya. You can just go back for them there. Me no need for breathe. You all fuck down the whole earth already, mama. Mama, your whole globalized like the coronavirus, mama. You feel me a deal? Me no need for breed. Me no need a bumbuckler seed. Go dig up the one them when you bury. Go dig up the blood clot one them when you bury, girl. Go back at the blood clot doctor for the one them when they suction out of your blood clot hole, Maya. Think hole. STD factory, STD chop. Let me tell you this. Go and go find the blood clot clinic. Where you go and then rinse out the two blood clot unwanted pussy clot pit away in your bumbo clot belly. Girl, what the bumbo clot you come over here ask me more youth for? Maya, you need to go back for the blood clot pit when it's stuck in your tube and it don't kill you. Thinking all. What kiss me ass clot? I want to dash your belly, Maya. I wanted a blood clot cemetery wall, girl. Kiss me ass. Dash your fucking bicycle, Maya. Fuck out, Maya. They get a tricycle. I can't the tree wheel. Bumbuckler eat that girl with a front to her back. Two big wheel, one little wheel. Go suck your mama, girl. You pedal them bus off. I show them if you show you no dirty bicycle, girl. Your bicycle up on the blood clot third wheel and the flat thinking mud, girl. I want to suck with Maya. Maya, how much belly you kill? Maya, the bumbuckler cemetery and me a penny yet you. Bumbuckler me a pen cemetery don't like see you thinking mud, girl. The amount of hand the lost souls. Where your blood clot put over there so with your hand furnished thinking hole. Oh God. Boy, I'm in love you though. Guys, one time I remember get to release the D man. I like that. Yeah. Yeah, you're not gonna put my page again. Thank you for your view, Maya. You already know. Make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And sister me a diss you over there too. You understand me a deal. Go and go suck your mama. I me did want to pit them on to be a blood clot sodomite youth. You still not get a big picture. You not breed up the whole bumbo clot earth already. If me did want a bumbo clot pit, I wouldn't have any pussy. I me never born as a herb for that. I could have breed. Probably I would have breed, but I still wouldn't breed for a bumbo clot boy. So you see all the confused about why me not have a pitney. Stop confused. Me rather collect them. Me rather deal with them like trading card. Me not like push them out. You see, yeah. Me rather collect on a blood clot unwanted pitney them fuck out people. On the dirty fuck out people. Me like collect on the unwanted bumbo clot pitney them on the fuck and get and can't bumbo clot mine. Me rather go out and collect them like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You understand me I deal with? Youth. You feel me? Hey dog. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pretty Dan Parks. I have 23,000 subscribers. fuck with a nigga. Fuck with me, bitch. You feel me? Fuck with me. I love my wife, dog. You feel me? Come here! Got that name tatted in my chest, nigga. You feel me? Look at that shit, nigga. Feel me? Feel me? Got a name tatted in my chest, bro. Feel me? I love you, bitch. I love you, Camille. If you left me, I'm gonna hang my blood clot self, Camille. Camille! If you left me, I'm gonna hang myself. Come here, Camille. Stop! Stop saying that. Me I tell you, who did Mr. Live as a fucking... There is a joke. I'm sorry, baby. I love you, baby. Hello. Okay, okay. Yo, we love when I like cook food, but everybody went there, yo. Thank God that we have a good blood clot laugh today. It was a good day. I swear to God. Hey, I always remember when I come here, I want to see me do my thing. This is solely comedy for me. But my comedy is just brutal truth. I'm saying with some expression for my face more. You understand me? But it is just my opinion, not yours. You understand me? You are going to disagree with me, and some are going to agree with me. Some are going to think I'm funny, some think I'm not. But at the end of the day, I respect all of you, and I thank all of you for viewing my stuff, for following me, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I love all of you with all of my blood clot out. I'm gonna ask Christ, so I'm gonna drink Red Bull, come on, fly. When I come here, so I fly down the cheese. I fly. I want to go out and do one comedy. Right? So guess what? If you don't think it's funny, I'm sorry. And you shouldn't be that tender dicked. Okay? And if you think I'm funny, girl, me too, cause my time watch my other video them and laugh. Yeah, cause my mind I'm gonna write down what me I say and show. So my time when me hear I'm say sitting there, my skirt out. Correct! My skin out like a blood clot all playing on the highway. I'm gonna skin out and I go out with myself. You understand me say, yeah, I love you guys so much. And thank you guys for your continuous support. And thank you guys for always watching me. And thank you guys. Just thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, that's how it. Yeah. I thank you. Bye-bye.